So I'm going to try to make a steering wheel, the wooden part of my steering wheel again. Last time I tried this it didn't work, so I've created new templates, or I augmented my existing templates rather. So I have this pad here which I didn't have previously, so this template is going to be for routing the inner surface with a round over bit on my router. And then I have this other template which I've added this external part here and this inner pad so the router has a nice surface to write on. When I use this one, this will be the second one, the inner part will already be routed and I'll be routing the outer part. So I'll have to clamp and route a little bit and then move the clamps and then route a little bit and then move the clamps and so on. That's the plan, at least. I don't know if this is going to work. So here's my workpiece. This is just, of course, a piece of scrap wood. I've sawed out the middle of the bandsaw. I left the corner pieces here intact because I'm going to use those to screw down to this piece to hold it while I route the interior surface. Let's see if that works. Go. So that part of the operation appears to be a quick success. And I've just dropped my, you can buy these, by the way, these steering wheel cores at TXRX Labs / cyclekart. I use that to draw the outer bounds of my template. Anyway, there you have it. That looks pretty good. Now to do the other side, which I suspect would be a little harder. That's where I screwed up last time. Okay, here's my clamping setup for the first part of the outer routing. We'll see how it goes. We have the answer. It's gone not so well. This piece broke off, but otherwise it looked like it might have worked. Maybe. If I can move the clamps around. Oh well, so much for that. Now what? Maybe it's because the wood is too fragile, this pine, as a test piece. Maybe the real wood would have done better, but I would really not like to find out the hard way that it wouldn't. So, another woodworking fail. So I continued to take a whack at it, even though it was a failure, and you can see some definite problems with it. Well, for one thing, the ends broke off, but then it's very hard to keep the thing from moving, so that you can't get a clean line. So, still failure.